It was raining a tiny bit. Oh. Okay, maybe it's calm. Never mind. It's not calm. It's worse. It's way worse. It's still not here. It's been like 10 minutes. It's just sitting there. It's like I'm gonna chill here for a minute. So this happened after the big storm. That fell, which I'm mad about, because another one, you see that one right there? That one snapped during Hurricane Michael. And now this one snapped a few days ago. That's just a pile of sticks. That didn't fall. This is the tree that fell. And I'm mad. The aftermath is the worst.